Ignore you all night, all night. Know that I'ma declare your calls right. But I know that when I get home, I'll check in my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, cause I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind.
Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I am back in the building with another motherfucking video. Today's hair is from Alipearl Hair, and if y'all seen that intro, y'all already know this wig ain't down, okay? So we're gonna do a quick unboxing and we're gonna get right into the video. Y'all, when I tell you guys I was super excited to install this wig, I wasn't playing. Baby, look at this. Pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-styled, okay? Got the little baby hairs going on. This is giving scalp straight out the box. Do y'all see this hairline? Alipearl, come on. I didn't know y'all was doing it like this. So this is what it looks like on my mannequin head. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, 24 inches, and all other details will be in the description section. But the quality of this hair ate down straight out the box. Soft, silky. Look at this, y'all. I love it. So we're gonna get right into it. I put it on straight out the box without doing anything to it so you guys can see what it looks like. This does have an elastic band. I forgot to show that part, but it does have an elastic band on the inside as well. Just in case you guys want to wear the glueless, you know, with the little glue tabs, you can do that. But look how good this looks. This hairline is so realistic. Baby, stop playing. Don't even play. So we're gonna go ahead and tint the lace, and I'm excited because I picked up some new tinting spray from 𝐯𝐿𝐝, okay? I did get the shade medium dark brown. I got all the shades to be honest, but we're gonna use this one today and see what it do. Y'all know I love me some tinting spray, so tint that on up and dry it down. This is what it looks like when I place it back on my head. Like I said, I do like to go a shade or two darker because I just feel like it looks more natural. To each his own. I'm doing a thing where I'm trying to make the wigs look more like my actual hairline, so I did cut, like, you know, a slight little oval in it, and then I also like to make a part and cut around my ear so it can fit around there perfectly, and it did. So we're gonna get ready to install this unit, and I'm using my lace spray by 𝐷. Y'all know. But in the summertime, I always tell you have to layer up. You cannot use one layer out in this humidity because, baby, your wig's going to be sliding back and sliding off. And it's so many videos I've been seeing around on the internet with people wigs sliding off. So what I like to do is go in with a layer or two, and then I like to dry it down a little bit and then go back in with a layer, like a thick layer. Y'all don't see me doing thin layers, okay? Because it's hot. We going in and doing thick layers. So I do about 3 to 4 in total, and I let that get tacky, and then we just lay it right on down. Like, the process is legit the same. You have to make sure the product is tacky before it laid down, or it won't stick at all. No, I also noticed that if you are drying down each layer, don't do that, okay? Do about 2 and then dry down just a little bit. Don't let it get tacky and put another layer on because it's gonna turn white, because I've experienced that. That's just with any lace spray in general. So just do about 2 layers, put a little bit on it for like 10 seconds, add another layer, and I'm telling you, your wig ain't going nowhere in the summer. I promise you. Unless you a hard sweater and you just dripping, I don't know what to tell you. You better get that lace glue. I'm going in and I just sprayed a little bit on the back of my brush to, you know, make it melt a little bit more. So now we're just gonna go in and let it sit. I do use 2 bands, the elastic band from Amazon and then the one that Alipearl sent over. So I do let it sit for some time, too long of a time, because I ended up getting them lines on my head. So just brushing through that hair, and look how soft and silky. Look at that shine on the hair. Did y'all see that shine? It's not playing. So this is what it looks like after I let it melt. I'm gonna comb out those baby hairs because they were, you know, hard. And we're gonna go ahead and form them. Now you can't leave the baby hairs there like lightly like that, but y'all know I'm extra, so I'm gonna go and do something with it later. First of all, I'm just going in with a little bit of wax, and we're gonna hot comb that down. Y'all know I love the laid look, fresh, relaxed look, so we have to go in. If y'all see the back of my wig looking a little bit lumpy, it is, okay? I did not push my big braid that I got in the back to the back of my head, so I have it sitting in the middle. Ain't nobody gonna see that. I don't even care if y'all do. But now I'm just gonna go in and, like I said, grab some more hair to create, you know, a bigger baby hair, because it was given too thin for my liking. So I do cut it at an angle, and then I'm gonna go in with my Kiss flat iron, and we're just gonna curl that under. That way we can help swoop. That way it can help swoop our baby hairs. And I like to go in with my got2b glue spray to help mold those baby hairs. You need something that's gonna keep them baby hairs down in the summer, and got2b glue is gonna be your girl. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in a little bit to define the parts. I do mix the two shades from the Ruby Kisses foundation, cream foundation palette, and I just, you know, lightly go in to define the parts because we want them to look, you know, realistic. So I am gonna go in and trim up the ends. I pretty much do this with all my wigs. We're just gonna trim up the loose ends. Going in with my T3 curling iron, we're just gonna take it and bump the ends. I just love the way that straight hair looks with a slight bump. It just does something for me, y'all. It just does it. And this is the final look, okay? Straight out the pack. I ain't doing much of nothing. Y'all see how quick this was? Stop playing. I'm actually gonna go ahead and style this unit. I wanted to play around with it a little bit to see what I could do with it as well. And I'm like, okay, we're gonna definitely do a half up, half down type of vibe, because like I said, the unit is already styled, but we're gonna like put another style on top of that. And it's simple, cute, and easy. So I just gather everything up to the ponytail. I didn't make no, you know, solid parts, anything, just pulled some hair out, and we just gonna put a little pony up there. So I thought to make it a little different, I be seeing the girlies with the bows. So I went ahead and got me some off Amazon. I said, let me put it in. I said, oh, she a cute little vibe. I like that. All right, so lastly, I'm just going to put some curls in it because I was like, wait, man, this hair too good to be true. Let me go ahead and see if it will hold a curl. Baby, why does wig hold a curl in a straight hair? Alipearl. I'm impressed. I'm impressed, okay? Now, y'all gonna see me comb the curls out, but I'm telling you, this wig can definitely hold a curl, and I'm just so excited. Overall, you need this wig, okay? You need this in your collection. First of all, I can't get over the fact that literally, if I did not put these extra styles in there, I would have been out of the house literally within like 30 minutes, okay? 30 minutes, 25, 30 minutes max. So, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I had minor shedding. Notes, I didn't experience any tangling. Y'all see this? A1. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will leave all information in regards to this unit in the description section below. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.